So today I will do the water treatment for the wastewater. It's a mini project. So we have today the wastewater, we have bottles, and we have the charcoals. I make it small pieces. I will show you in the video. So here we have the charcoals that we will use in the treatment for the wastewater. But we want to make the pieces for the charcoal smaller, so we use the hammer. So now we got the charcoal to the small pieces, so we can use it now. And I have the sand. I have also the cotton. This is the materials that we will use for the water treatment. So as we know all that the water is vital for everyday life and serves as an essential element to our health, hygiene, and the productivity of our community. And the water treatment process may vary slightly at different locations, depending on the technology of the plant and on the water that needs from the water treatment, but the basic principles are largely the same. So as we have now corona and everything is closed and we cannot go far, so we have small materials that we can, it's limited material that we can use today. So I will start with cutting the bottles to use it. I have here a sample for the cutting bottle. I cut it like this, here to put the materials and here to come out the water. I will do another one just to make the water treatment more efficient. Now I will cut it from here. Okay, so now we have two. So to do it more efficient, we can do two of these. So the water will go through two processes, then the water will come out from here, which is the clean water. So I will start with the materials. I will start with the cotton. Then I will put the sand. Then the charcoal. Then one more layer for the cotton. Then the sand. One more again. Okay, so this one, the first one is ready. I will do one more just to make sure that the water it's much more clear and we can use it for our daily life. The same process, cotton, then layer of sand, then charcoal, one more layer of cotton, then the last one, layer of sand. Okay, then we can do it like this one or like this one. Do it just like two steps. Put the water here, then the coming out, put it here again, and we can put it something like here, but I don't think so that the water will feel freely to come out, so I will use it for two steps. So So this is the wastewater, as you can see, black. I put the wastewater into our mini project for the filtration of the water. Then we will wait. As we can see here, the water that's coming out without the black color, and it's somehow clear, but with the second process it will be much more good. Maybe you feel that this process is so simple and we cannot like use it in our daily life, but as we know that the water takes like more of like it's the most important thing in our life, and all the humans and the animal and the plants, everything in our life depending on the water. So we should do something like this to make our community and our earth much better. It takes time because there are 3 or 4 layers as you see before. So we will wait until all finish. Then we put it here for the second step. So as you can see here, that's the water. It's hard to go out now because all the layers here, it contains the wastewater, the waste of the water. So this one, the first step, as you can see, it's so good. So then now we will put it for the second step for the water treatment. Here, same process, everything is same. As I said before, that our material is so simple due to the condition that we have now. It's much more better if it's in industries or any place that have the materials, the chemical materials that we can use. It will be much more better results. But for this one, it's so far so good. So while we are waiting for the water, I will make you a briefly definition about the wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is the process used to remove the waste from the waterways or the sewage and convert it into an effluent that can be returned to the water cycle. So which means that we have now the wastewater, we want it to be good water or clear water, so we have these processes to make it water that we can use in our daily life. Absolutely, for my mini project, it's not clear or not clean to drink, but we can use it in many conditions. So far, this is our results. The color is, it's somehow white and everything is good. So now, if anyone asks you that why I want to do something like this or to to be more convenient with the water and use it clearly, because of the wildlife habitats, because all the animals needs the water, all the humans, and the rivers and the oceans water teems with the life that depends on the shoreline and the beaches and the marshes. And the clean water is critical to the plant and the animal, and especially for the fishes, as you know, and also for the quality of our life, because we need clear water for our life. So also, for the most important thing is the health concerns. If this water is not good and you will use it in your life without it clean it, so it will carry the disease and the harmful bacteria that will affect your body. So for this one, as we can see our results here, so what we can use this water. We can use this water for the washing of the vehicles. We can use it for the watering for the plants in your garden. Maybe you can use it for the washing of your clothes, for the flushing toilet. You can use it for many things. So, and it's the small, for the conclusion, I will talk about small thing, and it's so important. So if this process is implemented in all houses, pollutions of the groundwater, the house's pollution will be reduced. So that's all. Thank you so much.